We're back at Cochinito in Spokane. Here, fine dining and street food mix to create a unique experience fit for the whole family.
Just a very comfortable location.
Very friendly to people of all ages.
Lots of fun, relaxed, easy to have a great conversation, but plenty of action happening around you.
I think it's not something you can find elsewhere in town.
We're kind of an eclectic, chef-driven taco shop, I say.
Co-owner Travis Dickinson worked as a chef in fine dining restaurants and wanted to create something a little more accessible for people to try.
We got a little tired of working at restaurants that our friends and family couldn't afford to come eat at more than once a year.
Right.
So anybody from business lunches to small families can come in and hang out and have something fun.
The best part about this is you can get some really high quality food quickly.
There's so many options, it's hard to choose, so you just have to kind of pick and go.
You can definitely tell that everything's fresh made.
Food-wise, it's all made from scratch stuff. A lot of the things that we were doing in fine dining as far as quality of sourcing, local produce, local ingredients, local growers. Almost every taco is a little composed plate in itself, so you can really kind of run through the menu. Instead of a $44 plate, it's on
Right.
$4 little taco. So.
I love that.
One of our favorite spots to come when we're going someplace downtown and just want to get a quick bite to eat that's still really good.
Definitely a culinary destination in downtown.
What are you and I gonna make?
So we're going to do a marinated melon salad. Nice little refreshing summertime
Delicious.
dish. And
Delicious. Can't wait.
excellent. You could do honeydew, cantaloupe, watermelon. We're going to do cantaloupe and watermelon today. It's done in a little chili lime seasoning. Yeah, fresh, good, summery.
Yes. Okay, well,
All
let's
right,
do it. What
let's
do we
put
need to do
together.
first?
Well, we're going to cut our melons, and really any shape works. For plating purposes, we do kind of a fun little long oblique cut. Yeah, it really does make kind of a neat salad. It's such an easy thing for summertime barbecues and things.
Yeah.
And, if you wanted to juice a couple of limes on there,
Okay.
maybe like 3 of those
Three of
segments,
these?
that'd be
Okay.
great. And the fun thing about melon too is you can kind of do this a day ahead, and it really holds up in the fridge, a little bit, to where maybe
Sure.
just throwing in the herbs and things day of, last minute, so they don't wilt in there. But one of the few times,
Watch out.
yeah,
I'm gonna
don't
squirt
get
you.
me.
Oh.
Like I said, just kind of enough to coat it around in there.
Yeah.
We'll give it a good toss in that.
Next, we add some chili lime seasoning and start to chop up some of the fresh picked basil and mint.
You can play with this too. We've done cilantro in the past. We've done Thai basil. But this combination works really good, especially
good.
mint and watermelon, sort of that classic combination.
What is this here that you have?
Those are just some local microgreens that we use for garnish on top.
Oh,
So there's
okay.
a micro cilantro and then a nice little purple radish mix in there.
See that. What are some of the other things that you like to do with summertime, colorful fruits and veggies?
We go pretty crazy with succotash here during the summertime,
Succotash.
because we get all those cool local squashes,
Yeah.
corn, peppers. We can throw tomatoes in there. It's a great way to use, the whole abundance of the season in one dish.
Right.
So if you want to give that guy a little stir, I'll start getting our plate ready here.
You have some candied pepitas.
Candied pepitas, yeah. We take pepitas, we toss them in a syrup of glucose syrup, little water, some carbonado sugar, salt and seasonings, and then just bake them off.
Nice.
You can always find an alternative at the store. I mean, candied walnuts or pecans, things like that work pretty well.
Yeah.
You make a little
have a
extra and
kick.
keep them in a Tupperware.
There's a kick with the in there.
There's that cayenne pepper in there. It'll get you. And it plays well
good.
with some of the seasoning on here. So cotija cheese on there. You could also do feta. Then the candied pumpkin seeds we were talking about on there for a bit of crunch. We've got those nice little microgreens just for a little pop of color. Pretty quick and easy.
And that's
Really
beautiful.
straightforward. Yeah.
That was really easy. So
Yeah.
now we get to taste it.
There we go.
That's the best part of my job. I have a fork for you.
All right, ladies first.
Thank you.
Gotta get a little piece of everything in there.
I like
Kinda
how
works, huh?
tangy it is.
Yeah, especially on those hot summer days, that lime kind of keeps you going. The super secret is once it sits in that bowl for a while and get all that nice melon and chili lime juice in the bottom.
There we
That's
go.
a nice little margarita mixer. We've played with that one in the past too.
Double duty.
Double duty.
I like
Get
it.
your dessert on.
That's perfect. Happy summertime. To get the recipe for Cochinito's marinated melon salad, visit wagrown.com.